Hi everyone, welcome to this video, which is totally different from what I'm usually doing on this channel. But today my little pup Dexter is going to join me and unbox a dog box with me. At the moment he seems extremely uninterested and unenthused, but my guess is that once we actually start to take things out of this box, he will be much more intrigued. Yes, I know you're wondering what the heck you're doing here, huh? This box was kindly sent by BoxDog. They are a subscription box company for dogs, and their boxes include treats, clothing, gear, etc. So Dexter is going to help me show you each thing that is in the box that they sent, and I'll give you information and discount codes if you are interested yourself, and hopefully we'll be able to tell what he likes the most. All right, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You can also follow on Instagram at this handle, and if you missed the last video, then make sure you go check it out. And Dexter clearly has no interest in these kinds of things, but if you do like these cherry drop earrings, I will link them in the description box below to where you can find them. They're very affordable. And then on my lips, I'm actually wearing one of Milani's cream blushes in Merlot Moment. So I will also link that video for you to check out in the upper right hand corner if you haven't seen it already. Oh, and if you like unboxings, make sure you stay tuned because I am going to unbox this Advent box by Yves Rocher, and it includes both skincare and makeup. It looks really, really cool, so make sure you stay tuned and watch that video once it goes live. We do have a special deal for you where you can get your first box for just $15, so make sure you check the description box. I will link where you can use that deal and the code that you can use to get that deal too. You have a few different options with this subscription. You can do a monthly subscription for $35.99, and you're gonna get a value of around $89 inside the box. You can purchase a quarterly box for $39.99 that will be billed every 3 months, and in those boxes you get around a $125 value. Or you can do an annual subscription that costs $159.96. You get your first box free with that, and your boxes will have a value of $625 or more. You can skip or cancel anytime, and the cool thing about BoxDog is that you can choose a lot of the items that are included. So I think there are some things that they'll choose ahead of time, but you get to have a lot of control over the things that are actually included for your dog. All right, so that Dexter doesn't go comatose with boredom here, let's go ahead and start looking at what he got. Oh, Dexter, look at what's in here. Oh, Dexter, look. Oh yeah, now you're interested, huh? What's in there? What's in there? Oh, there's treats on top. Okay, let's do the treats last. First, I'm gonna pull out this toy. It is a Dino T-Rex. Now, Dexter is notorious with his very strong teeth to just demolish most toys. But this one says, rethink durability, soft yet mighty strong. It has multiple layers, sewn multiple times, no hard edges, and there's 2 layers of plush, and I'm gonna guess that this squeaks just based on how it feels. Oh, look at that tail wag. Yeah, you wanna play with it? Okay, go ahead. All right, while he's distracted with the T-Rex, they also included another one. Same brand, this one is a Triceratops. So I do really appreciate that they even show you on the back the kind of double layer that they have to make it extra durable for pups like mine who typically just rip these apart within the first 10 minutes. Okay, hopefully he's not too distracting while he's playing with that, but this next thing is something that I will make very quick use of. This it looks like it's BoxDog's own brand. It's the Oatmeal Dog Shampoo. Oh, you're interested in that too? Yeah, just because you hear the plastic, huh? And oatmeal is known to be very soothing and gentle for dogs too. And it has an oatmeal-like fragrance to it. But we plan to go hiking tomorrow where Dexter always gets really dirty, so I'm literally gonna use this tomorrow when I bathe him after our hike. Oh, interesting. There is a BoxDog branded backpack or mini backpack. This is super cute, very durable feeling material. You have a zipper in the front with a pouch, It magnetically clips together. You've got another compartment here and the main compartment here, and has another compartment inside. Space for a cell phone possibly if you have a smaller phone. But again, something where if you're going on a hike or a short trip, you could put dog treats in here, a water bottle, maybe some sunscreen. So I might even use this for tomorrow's hike too. Not something necessarily that would be used directly by your dog, or even necessarily need to be used in conjunction with a pet. You could definitely just use it every day too, but convenient and nice to have something like this in the box. Next thing, all of these items seem to be very perfectly timed because this is a clothing item for dogs, and it is a super cute kind of sweater vest. He's definitely looking into that box for those treats. Okay, just a second. We're gonna get to those in just a second, okay? All right, so it's this like army hunter green Dexter. No, you already have one. You need to play, you play with this one, okay? You don't need both of them. No, Dexter. No, play with your T-Rex. Okay, so like I was saying, it's this hunter army green color, super cute. Perfect for fall, and today is literally the first day where it is cool weather, at least where I am. So once again, absolutely perfect timing. I'm gonna pop this on Dexter for the cold weather and start of the hike tomorrow. Got buttons on the underside. Hey Dex, would you mind modeling this for us, please? Okay, one arm, good boy. The other arm. Oh my gosh, you look so freaking cute. Look how cute he looks. Oh my gosh, he looks so freaking handsome. But look at him. I'm not typically one to make my dog wear clothing, but this is very functional to actually keep him warm, and it looks super cute. All right, now on to what he really wants. Oh yes, I know. Here is our first bag of treats. Oh, look at him. Yes, yes. You want some of these? You do? Okay, just a second. So these are from the bakery. These are Oreos. They have oat flour, carob powder, egg and water, and the frosting nuts inside is yogurt powder, tapioca starch, coconut milk powder, coconut flour, apple pectin, milk solids, and water. Now Dexter's kind of interesting because he's the kind of dog, yes I know, that loves to munch on things like vegetables, like carrots, and he also really likes fruit. But then on the rare occasion where I've taken him to like a gourmet dog bakery type of shop, he typically is not that interested in what they have to offer, but he seems very excited about this. Okay, for the life of me, I can't break this apart. I even tried scissors. So, I mean, this is a pretty large treat for a small dog, but I guess it's to your advantage. Yeah, he's definitely interested in that treat. All right, so we'll let him work on that one while we look at the next one. Oh dang, he split it apart just like an Oreo. All right, and this item is actually the last one in the box. He is devouring that Oreo treat. This is, again, from the bakery. This is the Tiny Cranberry and Pumpkin Bites. Again, perfect for fall. There's also cheese bones and soft pumpkin bites. So it's actually divided into 3 different wells for 3 different kinds of treats. Again, made with very safe ingredients for dogs. Okay, so hopefully you can see the different kinds of shapes that are here. The milk bones, just lumps, I guess, and then larger milk bones. I'm gonna lay them out in a row and see which one he goes for first. No, 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 stay, stay. Okay, go get it. Chop, chop. He seems very unsure which one he wants. So first he started to eat the tiny little cranberry and pumpkin bite. Then he moved very quickly to the soft pumpkin bites. And then he ended up actually first eating the cheese bones. But now he's eaten everything that's in front of him. All right, well, there is the BoxDog box. It looks like it was a hit with Dexter. He seemed to like everything, with the exception of the backpack, which of course isn't for him, it's for the owner. And he even liked every single one of the treats, which for a more peculiar dog like Dexter is good. It's surprising and it's good. All right, I hope you enjoyed this semi-chaotic unboxing with me and Dexter. Thank you as always for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.